Hey downsizers, I know that you want to see this next stunning David Weekly home, and any place else this place would be a fortune because it's in this new community at the edge of town. Incentives, the price reductions are crazy. So let's check out Asina at Blossom Rock. This is just amazing, the incentives that they're giving and the price reductions, because they want to get rid of some of this excess as they build into new sections. So I'm going to show you the inside of this and you're going to just love it. I mean, talk about minimal maintenance and beauty. So what do you think about this? I'm thrilled. This is a David Weekly home. David Weekly is a premier builder. If this were a few miles into town, it would be much more expensive. But because it's in the new Blossom Rock, out on the outskirts of town, you see, look at, they're just expanding this whole area. It's going up so fast, but these are selling fast too. And the incentives they're giving are just amazing.
So check out this one level. This does not compromise comfort. I mean, zero compromise. It is ready for your next chapter in life. It is calling your name. This place is beautiful. This single level luxury home has got everything that you want in it. It's got the high ceilings. It's got the large bedrooms. It is done just beautifully. And large laundry room. They have, of course, the garage here. This is a 4-car garage, but it's being used as the office. But you can see there's nice wide hallways. You've got the 3.5 baths here, 3 full baths and a half bath. And you get the 4 bedrooms. They range anywhere from 3,251 square feet to 3,259 square feet, depending on the options that you take. And they do have plenty of options that you can have. So it makes it kind of a semi-custom type of home. You can rearrange things. So if you want another bedroom, if you want another or primary suite with a bedroom, you can do that. So that's what's awesome about these David Weekly homes. It's just really more of a custom feel, but you're saving money because it is done just phenomenally. Consistency every time. The quality is unmatched. I mean, this is, for getting a home like this under $1 million, my mind is blown. Look at how large the primary bedrooms are. They are large, and look at the light. They have the windows going up high, so you've got lots of windows, lots of light. You get the double sinks. You have nice large walk-in closets. And like I say, they do have a preferred lender that they use, and if you want to go with that, you can do a year 1, year 2, year 3 breakdown, starting with the first year at a 4.75% interest rate. I mean, this is going to change your PITI from $4,242 to $3,743 for the first year. So it is a huge incentive. This large shower, which you can have an option for a separate tub and shower. Homeowners Association here, they're only $125, and you've got a huge walking area all throughout the community. You've got lighted trails. This is a community that's doesn't have a lot of light shining up, but it's all shining down on the trail, so everything's lit. But they keep it that way so you can walk under the stars and see the beautiful starry nights. And they're still building the clubhouse and the pool, but they've got this huge area that you can take the kids and It goes on and on. Every kind of area, plaything you want. This big rubber area where they can bounce on when they fall. It's not concrete you're falling on. It's this rubbery material. They've got this low maintenance, and included in your package is landscape. Front landscape is included, and they use this low maintenance style landscape, including the artificial turf. So everything's staying green all year long. Where you can go with the kids, the grandkids, whatever. And next to it, right next to it, you're going to have this community pool and community clubhouse, and you've got a lake. Guys, this lake you can fish in. It is catch and release, but it is stocked with fish. So you can come down here, spend time with your friends and family, have parties, plenty to do. Community area where you can barbecue and have tables, picnic tables are all over. It is just so convenient to have fun here outdoors. Here in Arizona, for sure. So you've got the nearby lakes we'll show you, hiking paths, you got it all here. So as you can see, you're just about a 30-minute drive to the Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport, and you're pretty much southeast of Mesa, Gilbert, Chandler. You're north of Queen Creek. So you're out there on the outskirts, but you're near all those big cities. And you probably heard that Queen Creek, which this is just north of, Queen Creek is one of the fastest growing cities in Metro Phoenix. The income level is close to similar to Scottsdale's. So that's what's crazy. The growth in this area is just amazing. And that's one of the reasons the home prices have gone up so much in Queen Creek. But now, just a few miles east of Eastmark, the tech corridor, you've got the similar David Weekly luxury homes where you can save that money. I'll show you. There's comparables that sold for $200,000 more over in town. And you can see you're fairly close to the Williams Gateway Airport, which is a nice convenient thing too, and really close to the mountains and hiking. The other thing you're really close to in the East Valley is lakes. You're only 41 minutes a drive to Canyon Lake, which is just a beautiful lake. We've taken the kids up there a lot. We've jet skied, boated, skied. It is beautiful, and the drive there is amazing. So you might be thinking, well, yeah, it's beautiful out there. There's not a lot of traffic. It's beautiful at Blossom Rock, but at the edge of town, where am I going to go shopping? Okay, that's just a short ways away, even before Apache Junction. So you do have the choice to go into Apache Junction for shopping straight north, but you are at the edge, like I said, right next to Mesa. So you can go into Mesa for your shopping just 7 miles away on Signal Butte at the Walmart. They've got a Michael's, they've got an Ulta, they've got all your restaurants, Mod Pizza. They have more shopping, more stores. And you're very close to Eastmark and the Tech Corridor. They're just 5 miles to the west. So you're really close to everything you need. Including your giant car wash. Your In-N-Out Burger, can't forget that, right? And all those restaurants and trails. Oh my gosh, you're just several miles away from hiking some of the most amazing trails in Superstition Mountains. You've got everything you need here. So I'm going to show you the quick move-in homes and the prices, the reduced prices for those, which are amazing right now for this floor plan, and a little bit smaller floor plan. But let me show you how much less it is here than in Mesa, just a few miles to the west. So here is the same floor plan, very similar. It's the same David Weekley home that sold over $1 million, and that is in Mesa in Eastmar. And then you have a David Weekley home that is a couple hundred feet even larger that sold for $889,939, and that's in the Blossom Rock in Apache. So remember, for over 30 years, we've been loving helping people get a good deal, helping home sellers and buyers all over. And we love getting calls. You can call us, text us, email us for a no obligation consultation. We have vetted agents nationwide, and we'd love to help you get a great deal on a home too. So give us a call. If you're relocating, give us a call. We love showing these David Weekley homes to you. And if you like what we're sharing here, so you're a more knowledgeable home buyer and home seller, then please like and subscribe. We love doing this and helping you with excellence through experience.